Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and today I get to share with you the Monster Mash collection designed by Becky Moore. This fun, spooky Halloween collection is filled with a collection kit, lots of adorable papers, including pumpkins and spider webs, spiders, and so much more. There's also an element sticker sheet, stencils, ephemera, as well as a stamp and matching die set. Let's grab our broomstick and check out this whimsical Halloween collection. This is the Monster Mash collection kit. It includes 2 of each of the papers you see here. There are 6 papers in all. They're double-sided, so you get lots of different patterns to mix and match. You'll also get an element sticker sheet in this pack. Let's take a look at each of the pieces. We're going to start with the element sticker sheet. It includes lots of fun titles, these adorable little whimsical creatures, Dracula, witches, Frankenstein, spooky houses, this adorable little owl. I love this little monster over here. Great sayings. There's little elements that are kind of peeking in, some little ghosts that you can just barely see the outline of, some bats. I like the words that you can add to a card or a layout. And then you also get this great 12-inch border to add to a page. Look at this fun little cat. Lots of pieces in the element sticker sheet to be able to add to everything from traveler's notebooks to layouts to cards, you name it, lots of options. As we look at each of the papers, they're all double-sided. This one is called Fangtastic. It includes 12 3x4 cut-aparts, which would be great for quick and easy cards. And of course, these adorable jack-o'-lanterns carved with these fun faces, with little star accents in the background. This paper is called Costume Party. It includes all of the characters in this collection, including the fun monster, the owl, Frankenstein, the witch, and of course this spooky little Dracula, with hints of bats and stars and scary trees in the background if you look really closely. The back of that paper features a whole sheet of spider webs. How cool is that? This is the Itsy Bitsy spider paper with these whimsical spiders that have these adorable eyes that I'm just dying to add some googly eyes to. Wouldn't that be fun? In 2 different sizes. I'm excited to try that. The back of this paper features these great stripes that mix and match with all of the pieces in the collection. If you like cut-aparts, the spooky paper is for you. There are 6 4x6 cut-aparts that are perfect for pocket page scrapbooking, a quick and easy card, or even as a title on a layout. The back of that paper includes a whole host of spooky, beady eyes looking out from the dark of night. It reminds me of eyes glowing in the dark. How fun is that? This paper is called 31 October. It includes a great geometric pattern on the one side with all of the colors in the collection. Great for mixing and matching. The back of that paper features a beautiful lime green with a lighter green check on the back. Perfect for layering. This paper is called Boo, and it features a host of adorable little ghosts with different faces on a purple background. The back of that paper features black and white polka dots on an orange background with tiny spiders sprinkled within. This is the Monster Mash Color Me paper. You can color all of your own ghosts and drop in a pretty background of whatever color you like. The back of that paper includes 12 cut-aparts that you can color and use on cards, layouts, and more. This collection also includes a die paper that you can use the dies in this collection to cut out the different elements on this page. The die paper also features one quick and easy card to get you started. There's also a stamp and coordinating die set that match this collection as well, so be sure to check those out. This collection also includes a 2-piece stencil set with the ghosts on one and then the ghost faces on another set. You add one over the top of the other, like so, and they match up beautifully. I think we should try it. What do you think? Let's do it. I went ahead and used white pigment ink for the ghosts. Off camera, I went ahead and I heat set the white pigment ink on the bottom. I also want to mention that each of the stencils are numbered at the very top. So this is your number 1. And I outlined the edge. You can layer one over the top of the other like this. But I also just inked the edges on my paper so that I knew where the edges were. And then I can just go ahead and line up my edges with the inked edges and then tape it back down. Now I'm going to use some black VersaFine on top. And then I stenciled all of the black eyes, and I really smushed it in there with my blending tool so that all of the eyes were nice and dark. If you don't heat set the white underneath or let it dry overnight, you're not going to get a really clean, crisp eye color. So when you're done, it looks like this. But how sweet is that? This is the Ephemera Pack. It includes 26 adorable elements, including tabs and tickets, as well as sayings, frames, and so much more. Perfect for adding little embellishments to your layouts, cards, and even a traveler's notebook. And that concludes the Monster Mash collection. We hope you enjoy it as much as we did creating it. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. If you liked this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Thanks for watching.